This Ralph. This Ralph.
Where are you? Here, Hunter, look. Stand up and say hi to him.
Hi. Boring.
Wow, look at all the cars coming now.
What? What's that Tarzan?
Look at him, buddy. Say hi to him. I'm going to pull up alongside of him.
Hi. Hi.
Go ahead, look at him.
Hi. It's the moon.
He's more excited about the moon.
That's a giraffe, buddy. Look at him. He's looking at you. He's going to say hi. Give him a high five. Look at him. Look at him.
Here he comes. Get him. Look, he licked our window. Put your hand up.
Look, look. Wow.
Where is he?
That was cool, buddy.
There he is. He's in our sunroof.
See him?
Oh, he's Tommy.
Yeah, he was saying hi.
He's a
Look
just
how long their neck is, buddy.
Here, look up here, Hunter. You can see him out this window.
Look at this one now.